Hi guys, how are you doing? And welcome back to another awesome video. Guys, truthfully, this day I did a lot of cleaning because I realized that it had taken me a long time ever since I thorough cleaned our bedroom. I've been doing that bit by bit for the entire house, but I'm kind of taking it one room at a time because it is so hectic. I always ensure to at least clean each and everything in a space, and for today's video I did that with our room, starting from the curtains, the window panes, the bed, the mirror, the crevices, and everything else. I hope you get to enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Oh guys, towards the end I will be showing you something that I learned that helps me when inserting the duvet in the duvet cover. It is so simple and it works so well. I wish I had learned it earlier, but anyway, it is never too late cause we tend to learn as we move. I really do hope you enjoy today's video, and do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so. I will highly appreciate it. So guys, actually cleaning and organizing our bedroom took 2 days because I also had the carpet cleaned by the amazing cleaning guys. I will leave their contact in the description box. They did an amazing job. I was actually not in a hurry while doing this cleaning because I wanted it to be thorough. I actually enjoyed doing it, and when I finished, the satisfaction and that wow feeling was worth everything. So the first thing that I did was remove the bedding because I also wanted to air the mattress, just leaving it at the balcony for some time. I also had to put the bedding in the washer because it was a thorough cleaning day. I didn't want to leave anything untouched in this room.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a
So guys, this is day 2. At least everything is clean and dry. Even the carpet is okay now, and I'm so happy about that. What I intend to do is just organize the room a little bit so that it becomes as it usually is, but cleaner and fresher. I'm so happy by the way that I got to do this, and I hope you get to enjoy the final part of this video.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the
So guys, this is the part that I am so excited about and that I really wanted you to see. That is inserting the duvet in the duvet cover. It has become much easier now and I am so excited about it. I used to struggle doing this and somehow I cannot do it alone. I had to ask for help, but I think I just needed help because If it were just me in the house at this time, I would have done it. But my brother got me covered. He was just there, and so I had to tell him to come help me. So guys, I've come to the end of the video, and thank you so much for joining me and for watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so, and do not forget to give the video a thumbs up. Your comments will also be appreciated. Thank you so much, and have an amazing weekend.